In this video, I'll show you how to put an assembly model onto a drawing. We'll make an assembly drawing. So we'll do File, New. We're still going to just put it on a drawing sheet. It's just a matter of what the views are going to look like. We'll go to a B size, make sure we have our assembly. Let's just start from scratch. So on an assembly, especially this only has 3 parts. Typically what we would do is, instead of putting orthographics, we would put an ISO view that represents the object the best we can. So for our base view, let's come over here, and if you right click on this lower right hand corner and click Custom View Orientation, it'll show you your model, and you can arrange this however you want it to look. So find something that lets you see all the parts. Say Finish Custom View, and that'll pop up on the screen. And let's try scaling it up. Try to get it big within reason. That looks pretty good, and I just want a single view. Now to this, I'm going to add a few things. I'm going to add balloons to identify each part. So you just click over here on balloon and come over here and click on one of your parts and say OK, and then pull the balloon out to where you want it to be. Now don't put it on the part. Pull it out, left click, right click, and say continue, and then click on your next part. Pull the balloon out, left click, right click, continue, and the next part, left click, right click, continue. And those are our 3 parts. And then we're going to put a parts list just right up here, and you want to click inside the red box, say OK, and it'll generate a list, and that list should be parked right there on top of the title block. Don't put it anywhere else on the sheet except right there. And what it's going to do is call out the balloon numbers are going to signify what the name of the part is, and that's the number that you saved the drawing on. And then we're going to add to the description. So if you just double click on that and click in here, we can add information. So that's going to be hit enter, and just type in what you want, hit enter, and then just say OK, and that'll update. And that's our assembly drawing. And then we'll want to put a title in there. And let's see what that looks like. Okay, that works. So there is my assembly drawing.